Hey there, green thumbs. Today we're diving into the art of harvesting and storing your veggies like a pro. Whether you've got a sprawling backyard garden or a cozy urban setup, these tips will help you keep your produce fresh and tasty. First things first, timing is everything. Harvest your vegetables in the morning when they're still cool and full of moisture. For leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, use a sharp knife or scissors to cut the leaves, avoiding the base to let new growth flourish. Now, for root vegetables like carrots and beets, gently loosen the soil with a garden fork before pulling them up. This prevents breakage and ensures you get the whole root. Remember, patience is key. Quick tip. If you're harvesting tomatoes, look for a deep color and slight softness. Twist them off the vine gently to avoid damaging the plant. And for cucumbers and zucchinis, a quick snap of the stem should do the trick. All right, let's talk storage. Proper storage can extend the life of your veggies significantly. Leafy greens and herbs can be wrapped in a damp paper towel and placed in a plastic bag in the fridge. This keeps them crisp and fresh for up to a week. Root veggies, like carrots and beets, trim off the greens and store them in a container with a bit of water. They'll stay fresh and tasty for weeks. Tomatoes are best kept at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Refrigerating them can affect their flavor and texture. For your winter squashes and onions, find a cool, dark, and dry place. These guys can last for months if stored properly. And remember, always check for any signs of spoilage and remove affected ones immediately to keep the rest safe. So there you have it. A few simple steps to help you harvest and store your veggies with confidence. Give these tips a try and you'll be enjoying homegrown produce long after you've picked it. Happy gardening. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips.